What's the everyday language equivalent of this sentence? The photographer made quite a good job. The photographer did quite a good job. What's a natural flow for this sentence in English? With the right tools, I could make the job in 5 minutes. With the right tools, I could do the job in 5 minutes. Let me offer some supplementary information on this. Do a job, not make. There are lots of jobs to do when we get home. Equals pieces of work. There is no need to thank me, I was just doing my job. Equals what I do to earn a living. How might a native speaker phrase this more succinctly? I'm willing to accept any job, even a half-time one. I'm willing to accept any job, even a part-time one. What's a natural English way of articulating this? What's your job? What do you do for a living?